Hi guys, have you heard about the video editing app called Capcut and you're inquisitive about it? Then you have to start by first knowing how to download and install this app into your phone. And that's what you're going to be learning in this video today. You're going to learn how to download and install the Capcut app into your phone. So guys, if you want to know more, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, in this tutorial today, I'm going to be using an Android phone to demonstrate how you can download and install the Capcut app. But in case you're using an iPhone, you don't have to bother about it. I'm going to be leaving a detailed written steps on how you can actually do that in your iPhone down in the description of this video. So guys, let's continue. Since I'm using an Android phone, what I have to do now is to go over to my Play Store. So let me tap on my Play Store right away. That's my Play Store app, so let me tap on it. So guys, once you open up your Play Store, you can see I'm on the home page of my Play Store. What you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see the search icon. You can see there at the top left corner, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now what you have to do now is to type in the word Capcut. So guys, let me type it in. So guys, after typing it in, what you have to do is to tap on search. You can see it down below. So let me tap on search or enter. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the Capcut app there. You can see there, that's the white and black logo. So guys, can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it so you're going to see it clearly. So guys, now you can see the app there. You can see it, Capcut video editor. So guys, now for you to start downloading and installing this app into your phone, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see install. So guys, let me do that right away. But guys, before I do that, let me go ahead now to show you guys what you need to know about this app. So guys, can see here, this app has a star rating of 4.4, which means people are actually saying good things about the app. You can see it has a review of over 8 million. So guys, let me scroll to the left now to show you guys more features. So guys, can see here, it has over 500 million downloads. That means over 500 persons are actually using this app on planet Earth. So guys, now let's go to the about this app. So guys, can see where it is written about this app down there. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see about this app. This app captures precious moments, edit videos with stunning music and effects. Capcut is a free all-in-one video editing tools. Is packed with everything necessary to create high quality, visually appealing videos and graphics. Capcut offers both app and online version. Capcut satisfies all video production needs. So guys, what you have to do is to go ahead to read through all of this. You can see there's so many things you have to know about this app. If you have the time, just go through it, but I can't read through all of this because I don't want this video to be too long. So let me go back now. So guys, what I have to do now in order to download and start installing this app, what I have to do is to tap on where it is written install. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it has started downloading. After downloading, it's going to start installing automatically. So guys, now let's just wait for this thing to be fully downloaded. Let's wait for it to get to 100%. Then we are going to get our app into our phone. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, can see it's 99%. It has gotten to 100%. In a few seconds now, it's going to start installing automatically. So let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see it has started installing. So let's just wait for a while. So guys, now you can see it's done installing. What you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see enable. So guys, let me tap on it. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So guys, after tapping on enable, you're going to notice that the button has changed to open. So what you have to do now is to tap on open to actually open the Capcut app. So guys, let me tap on it right away. That's where the arrow is pointing at. So guys, now you can see it's taking me into the app. You can see Capcut app. So guys, now you can see what is written here, terms of service and privacy policy. So guys, if you're using this app for the first time, you're going to be faced with this. So you have to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and for you to do that, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written agree and continue. So guys, let me tap on it. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, now this is the interface you're going to be faced with if you're using this app for the first time. If you want to start editing a new work, you want to start editing a new video, if you want to start a new project, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where it is written new project. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on allow to allow Capcut to access your photos, media and files. So guys, let me tap on allow. So guys, now you can see it has directed me to my phone gallery. So let me go ahead now to choose a video. So guys, you can see I've selected the video. So let me tap on add. So let me tap on add below. So guys, now you can see the video I just added. Let me play the video. So guys, now this is the video. You can see the video is playing, but you can't hear the sound because I had to reduce it so you can be able to hear my voice. So guys, I'm going to end at this. In my next videos, I will make tutorial videos on how you can actually use this Capcut app like a professional. So guys, now I've been able to show you guys how you can download and install this app into your phone and how you can start using it. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.